Salim Dola, a close associate of India's most wanted Dawood Ibrahim and a key figure in international drug trafficking, has been brought back to India following his arrest in Turkey. He landed in Delhi on Tuesday after being deported from Istanbul. Turkish security authorities had arrested him following an Interpol Red Corner notice issued at the request of India's Central Bureau of Investigation. Indian authorities are likely to question him about the extent of his network and his links within India and abroad. He's a key accused in a major narcotics case being probed by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch, and according to reports, Dola has been on the radar of Indian investigative agencies for years. Dola was allegedly operating a sophisticated synthetic drug trafficking network that included clandestine laboratories and manufacturing units spread across India. Investigators say Dola had direct links to Dawood Ibrahim's network and played a crucial role in expanding drug trafficking operations in India. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, he called this a major breakthrough, saying that India's anti-narcotics agencies have extended their claws across borders through a robust network of global agencies. He added that no place is safe for drug kingpins now. For more on this story, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report. Listen in.
In a major crackdown on international organized crime, Salim Dola, a key associate as well as a very close aide of underworld don Dawood Ibrahim, has been deported to India from Istanbul, Turkey. Remember, he was arrested on April 25th this year in a joint operation that was conducted by Turkish authorities and international intelligence agencies. In fact, he was also wanted by Indian authorities, and an Interpol Red Corner notice was also issued against him. Under very heavy security, he landed today at the Delhi airport, and currently formalities are underway for him to be handed over to the Mumbai police for further investigation. Remember, officials also do indicate and have told us that questioning could also expose global drug routes, in fact also financial networks and links to the D company. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.